Alright guys, it's your boy again. As you see, one peletkie visit kurule ase, so we are going to visit peletkie to see some places. Actually, tan koi dekhi ki jate waterfall kan bal pai koi to na mon asi jawle kuri ase. Isna mon kya perenna rasta punji se. Alright, this is my new car, and we are going by these. Aro view, guys. The place, the view, it's awesome. It is a perenna rasta.
Okay.
Tommy view sir. This is the view. Actually, we haven't reached peletkie yet, but we are about to, move right now. So let's see. Keep watching, guys. So guys, I'm inside the car now. We are about to move to peletkie, and to say mon tinjane ase. China love photos so can grow China sawa peletkie we kita dikhi sana to aji jana sai so kina dikhi peletkie kina ase but rasta to over ase rasta to sai sabe to ammi guys, yeah, don't subscribe na kuri di mo ke moron ba don't subscribe kuri di support kuri di alop maki uti can help kura baji kuro aro ite rasa balu ise alop aram base kota kuri di kawan isna apne an kaya na kai kun khai to an do balra khabi promote kuri di ase moi sikar ge yeah to oye sawo kinya awo tere jai bachi de आजकल पानी भी बाल ना कि मतलब पानी घूमती है they are saying that यहाँ पानी घूमती है कि ये गुआस ना but we'll see बाल तक उले परे बिया तक उले परे we don't know but hope for the best guys keep watching peletkie sabi so guys we are on the way to peletkie but I think rasta bias ni diviro ni rasta bias na ado sa mga boss This is my brother. Tinjun will be more interest right now, right? Or Tom be savvy. View to balance like do chill guru la kan pahari type. The view is good. So finally, guys, mon punchi se peletkie do, but kunde zawle se nazne, and then. Tatabi manula gorbi dikhi ase we are supposed to ask them but kun bhi nahi the hudula hoda baji gurule manu bhi kun bhi nahi I don't know kutte ase peletkie to jole waterfall to sawle karne jole kut phane sai do hole bhi sawo I think kuma jale to board to lagai gola I wish I know someone from peletkie but ki corona kun bhi nahi peletkie jo jana manu bhi So yeah, let's find ourselves. Let's see what happened, guys. So guys, moi tuan ke spot te puncha pichi de lok pawo. Kile mane koi alop battery bhi save kro le. Battery ko to mujhe gulo to pachi de video bhi banao na parbo. So I'll see you at the spot, okay? Jam de pachi de moi dikhai debo kine ase ki ase. Yeah, bye. So guys, luckily mon ke waterfall punchawle la manu paise. Actually mon age de jato jaise to holi bi manu phalai dina. Na jani na rasta to dunglo na ki kule ta pan jai ase and then we came back tada manu ki oda baji kurse duita chokra paise to ta amar loi ja ase aro gari do ha gari do ekdom na pare mon gari loi na bole kurisu to but rasta to ange moi dikai do rasta to over bi ase tu na to pai nai mon la rasta gari do pore kura bole kuri ase aro sao to ange tade puncha pise sai do moi lob dikai do rasta sabi to oh my god rasta sabi aro gari to ekdom gura ase jawa na pare ne mon la to I feel so bad for my car, man. They were एकदम smart. तो ಇದು ಒಂದು ಜಿಪ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ನ ರಸ್ತಾ ಆಜೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಾ ಜಿಪ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ನ जाओ परो only for gypsy तो कौन कौन लिवी गाड़ी कंदो मिसा मिसलुने ना इदे don't do this mistake मला चकावी गाडीला चकावी पुरा देशे चका간 पुरा जायसे मला okay gora to go ahead today okay well see you guys so guys hola ase mon kya on our way to the waterfall but also no it's you know बहुत दूर है ऐसे ना से हम अकेले जाता हम बड़ा हेल्प करे से और कैसे मेरा बॉस लीडर मोर में लाइट आएंगे दो पाइन जबरदस्त साथ है but yeah we are enjoying our journey guys keep watching dia pawo bawa ton keep watching guys keep watching so guys mon la ase dia tadi tu se mon guys sudah sini tu tik mon antai min jai se lebih man dia pun hai bala to hai poni ni abi ni hiyo lo Conjulation guys you know what one oh yes guys ekta cheese alop mun choto hoine ase because I put my car tate opor na I wanna para hoisu and then they tando je jongol jolas na and if in case मला car जुलिसु गले I'm gone seriously katom म तो पूरा जाइसे but I hope nya ta ko no होला let's hope for the best bro we are almost there it's kind of jungle but it's kind of interesting and so rasta Doce rasta sekarang कैसे मनो we are almost there guys well say te mon punchule se sabi jungle already July na se I think we have visited man gulti tande visit pi krisni na ne but still then yeah ki ase mota se guru la so we are doing it keep watching guys love you all guys full gambi bal ase and we are almost there. Dog too fast, but still, yeah, guys. Manan top comments bawah ko jage. And I wanna see from my suku. Hả? Ơ chưa có vòng nữa ta? Gani. Come, come. Oh. We are almost there, guys. Duk to pass, but still enjoying my journey. Sabda. Hah? Kita gani? Guys, we have arrived the place, but I got a bad news that there is no water here. Pani kumti ase. Oh my god! But we made it. You know, Solomon takise punchise. Oh my god! You know, even if there is no water, that's fine for me. But at least I can see the place. I can see the waterfall. Well, I'll show you guys. But I'm sorry for my... I'm kind of tired, man. Yeah. Okay. Peace. Mama tayo, diba? Yun ba? Paling to iman na eh. But we made it, guys. Kunti siya idea. Paling try ko lang siya peletkie waterfall. Oh, sorry. Ah! Go. Jiu di kau tuan ke? Ayo. So, this is the peletkie waterfall. Aro, tadi lagi bisi thanks. Alin sa tayo bro, sabi text sa ekjun. Bro, hindi choy lache. Ingaw siwe. Thank you ingaw siwe. And another one. Hindi choy lache bro. Hai shurang ba siya. Thank you hai shurang ba ingaw siwe. Thank you both. Now, let me show you guys the view over here. It's kind of cool and funny. Over at Bala, it's chill. Oh, sorry, my camera. It's the peletkie waterfall. But guys, actually, unseasoned there, that's why they don't have much water. So season though, January, if not November, December. It is there. And then moreover the views be bal thakibo. Finally punji se ki korala plan dagise itu parise aji we have successfully and safely reached Peletkie waterfall. Duk pa ase I love rest korbo and then I'll show you guys the view, okay? See ya, bye. Love you all. Funny. Guys, abhi ivy. I visit kruvi. Ekdum bal place is all go. Mayan to na paro, mayan to na paro. Mutan ni ko ase. To paro. Please, season katik na. Wala bi to kan ite bi sabi bala situ sabse bala. Interesting boy guys. What is the position of my video? So guys, itu was a Peletkie waterfall. Man duk kurna punta to punsi se aje. So, asila video de manan takibo. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and tohan ite bi subscribe korona kule do subscribe and like my video aro share kori dibi kone koi dia ase aro next video kuti sawole mun ase itu kobi comments te and I will do it for you guys. So tokan kobi kuti moi jawole ase kuntu saw jaga saw mun ase aro moi tokan ke dikai de. So guys, see you at the next video.